Okay, this is a table. We can make this particular one dynamic whereby we want to change this 400, also change 400, then want to change to 200, then change to 200. Yes. What we'll do is put the equal to sign, put the text in quotes, and we reference the particular cell that we want to be changing. So what we'll do is the style file is this. So we can decide to lock it. Is okay 400. So if we change this one to 300, you will get 300 as well. So let's calculate for the revenue. This is the price in naira. So let's calculate the revenue. So this times this, whichever we want. So this is it. We get the same value. So let's put 20 naira fund. And you can use the sum products. Let's use the sum products. It's still the same results. This and this. So close it and can copy it down. Press Ctrl D to copy down. Because this is the revenue. So to calculate the revenue in dollar equivalent is this divided by this 300. So Ctrl D, can use Ctrl D or just select everything and press Ctrl D. So this is the monetary value. So now let's calculate for the sum of revenue by New Jersey. So we are using the SUMIF. So the range is this, and you can lock it. And the criteria is we want to make it dynamic. That's why using the left function, this, and the length function. So all this length of the text to be copied. So as the sum rate wants the revenue. So we close bracket. So this is the revenue. So whatever we add here based on these ones and whatever we calculate here later on should give us the same amount of revenue. So let's go to naira sign. So let's calculate for the east. So using the same sum if. So the east, this is the region, and we are using the same left function and the length of this. So the sum range, the same revenue we are using. Okay, so this is it for northwest. But one thing, there's north here, but there's not north here. It was manual. So let me type it and copy down this here. So we have it here. This one's giving us, let's put cities in there form. So this one is given the A62. This one is given the A62. But one thing is actually we want it to be sorted alphabetically. Let's sort here. You can sort here. You just sort to expand this the sorting, but then you can make it unique, whereby you can use the unique function. Then we select the array. Yeah, you get it to speed because this one is actually blocking me to actually generate the data. So you can select these two and delete them. So this is automatically generated. So we can't delete these ones below. We can delete this one while the rest will go away, which is not cool. So what we do, we want this words to be sorted. We just use the sort function. Sort. So we can sort alphabetically. Then yeah, we have it here. So we can do the same thing here. Find the unique. So the unique of this region. So let's add the sort function to it too. No, let's just wait. You see the split. So let's see how it was arranged. East, north, west. It's actually correct. The winning sort. Let's just add it because sometimes you may not get it in a proper order. So east, north, west. So let's add something like Z. Just for example, you see, C is added here because it's added to it. So let's say the value is, it should still give us A62, that is just it. So let's just return back, let's put it as east. Okay, this one is just because this particular test is off, but if you add together, we still have the value. So let's just add together from this end. Let's add this. Let's put the potato here. and can it ought equal to it is sum. Yeah, see. So let's see ought equal to, yeah, see, this is same value, so that is just it. So it's so easy for us to just do the sum ifs and using the unique length function. So you guys just it. Thank you. You change my life, you give me miracle. Okay, that was the thing you did do for me. Okay, let go.